Most people don't become poor overnight. They make small money mistakes every day, until those mistakes...
You work hard for your money. But where does it go? But where does it go? Never stop to ask. Most people never stop to ask.
Your future depends on today's decisions. Every dollar has a destination. Choose wisely.
Comparison is expensive. Many people go broke trying to impress strangers. Focus on your own journey. The biggest risk isn't investing. The biggest risk is never learning. Knowledge creates wealth.
One smart decision today can change your entire future. Start before it's too late.
Looking rich is easy. Becoming rich is harder. Most people choose the wrong path.
Impulse purchases feel good today. Debt stays much longer. Debt stays much longer.
Small daily expenses become huge losses over time.
A paycheck without savings is a dangerous game.
Many people buy liabilities and call them assets.
Entertainment is temporary. Financial freedom lasts forever. Never sign what you don't.
The wealthiest people learn. The poorest only scroll.
Every dollar is a vote for your future.
Most people underestimate small losses.
Debt steals freedom before it steals money.
Don't compare your reality to someone else's highlight reel. Fear has made more people poor than failure.
Small savings create big results.
If every paycheck disappears, so does your freedom. Tiny expenses quietly destroy big dreams.
The more you learn, the more you earn. Short-term pleasure often kills long-term success.
Lost money can return. Lost time never does.
Wealth is built one habit at a time. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today.
What gets measured gets improved.
Success is a journey, not a shortcut.
The money mistakes you avoid today will shape the life you live tomorrow.